Merry Christmas, sweet friends. It is so good to see you. And I am so excited. I am continuing my Christmas decorating series, and I think this is going to be part 6. So, in today's video, I am going to be decorating my vintage hutch for Christmas, and I also have an exciting new product I want to share with you as well. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Okay, this is just a quick before look at my vintage hutch here. And I pretty much cleared everything out. I'm probably gonna keep this. Here and just switch out some things. And we're gonna take those candlesticks down as well. We're gonna get it cleaned up. So let's get started. So these are the candlesticks that I have pulled that I think I'm gonna work with. I'm gonna use 2 on each side. So this is the taller version. So these are very farmhouse French country style candlesticks, and I love them. And this is the shorter version. So let's get these into place. So I went ahead and added in the candlesticks, and I have 2 on each side. And as you can see, I did add a little candle ring on the shorter candlesticks, and I couldn't find the rest of them, so that's why there's only 1 on each of the shorter candles. So now we're going to move down to this portion, and we're going to add some garland on this part of the hutch. So I'm going to use this garland, and I'm going to place this garland at the length of this hutch. Now we have the garland up there. It's not very full like I like it. So I think I'm going to add some of these pine picks in here to give it more dimension and texture. So now I'm just giving you a closer view of what I've done to this garland, because this is some cheaper garland and it's very old, and I'm not going out buying any new garland. So what I did is I went in and I added these picks into it. They're pretty thick and full, and with the little miniature pine cones, and I just add them throughout the length of the garland. And that gives me a more fuller look and makes this garland more rich looking. So now I have added in this sign that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." I went with this sign because black goes very well with my cranberry walls, as you can see in the background. And if I put something up there that's red, it's going to blend in. So we're going to move on to the next thing that we're going to add. And I think this is going to complete the top of my hutch, but let's see. I also decided to go ahead and add in a little greenery to cover up that hanger, so I think that looks great. I'm going to add these plates back to my hutch. I keep these in my hutch year round, and because I'm doing a gingerbread theme, I'm going to add these little salad plates in front of these, and let's put those into place. Up next, I'm going to add these adorable little pine trees on each corner of these settings. So I've already placed this one in the corner here, so we're just going to add in the rest. We're going to add this little gingerbread house. I'm just turning it around so you can kind of see the roof. Isn't that adorable? It looks so edible in person. And of course, I got my little gingy right here. So let's get this into place. So up next, I'm going to add this little gingy house. This is actually a candy dish. And I'm going to put this into place.
Oh, come all ye faithful.
So now we're going to work on this bottom portion here. So I've opened up my cabinet. So what I'm going to do is I only have 2 of these trees. And I'm just going to add one here and one over here. All right, so as you can see, we got a little green, one on each side. So now we're going to add some more pieces. I've got to figure out what I'm going to put on top here. Whatever it's going to be is going to have to be real short because I don't have a lot of height. So this is what I decided to use. I'm going to use my big coffee mug here. It is so large, you guys. This could be easily be a soup bowl. But I bought these last year from Big Lots, so let's put these into place. Okay, now we have those into place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down here. I have enough space, and I'm going to add these little salt and pepper shakers here. And I'm going to place them right. I'm going to do this gently because it popped up the other time that I tried to pull it down. And I'm just going to place one on this side. Okay. And I'm going to put the other one in here. Just like that. And I'm making sure that you can see them. And I'm going to gently put this back down because it's weighted down now. And voila. Next, I'm going to add some more greenery. So this is where I added the greenery here. I added it on that corner and on that corner. I decided to add this little gingerbread Christmas tree. I'm going to place this in the center. And now I'm going to add this cute gingerbread set. I'm just going to simply place this right here in front of my candy jar as another layer on this row because this candy jar here of this little gingerbread house is smaller than the gingerbread house on top because you can put cookies on the one on top. So that's why I'm adding this extra layer to give it some more volume in the center. I'm going to go back and add some lights to this garland. So I'll do that when I give you the final reveal. I'm just going to refix my basket. I'm going to keep this same throw. And I'm just going to add this little Christmas pillow. So what I did is I decided to take my little Gingy pillow and I just added him right there beside the candles. They're battery operated, so I don't have to worry about any accidents. So let me go ahead and add these lights into this greenery. And we'll be done with this hutch. This portion of my video is sponsored by Saker. I am going to be doing a product review on their cordless buffer polisher. As you can see, it came nicely packaged. There was no damage to my packaging. And you can use this cordless buffer polisher to polish your vehicle, your sink, glass, and of course, you guys, I'm not going to be out there polishing my vehicle. So I'm going to use it to help me out to keep my things looking good in my kitchen. It comes with several attachments that I'm showing you here. It also has the battery pack that I'm showing, and it also is cordless, so you can charge your battery up. And also the attachments are fastened using a Velcro strip to the polishing disc, which I will show you in a moment. I found that this product was easy to assemble and it is ready to go. Let's see how this works. I'm putting my attachment on. I'm going to clean my sink and I'm going to clean my stainless steel kitchen island. Look at it go. Wow, look at that shine. Thank you, Saker, for sponsoring this portion of my video. This would also make a great Christmas gift. So now I'm going to be creating a Christmas tablescape in my dining room here, and this table has been cleaned and polished, and I'm starting with this 9-foot green garland that I purchased from New River Pottery. I said I wasn't going to buy any more garland, but I had to for the sake of this centerpiece. And I got a good price because it was on sale for 25% off. So here I'm just fluffing everything out. I decided to insert my dough bowl underneath it. And I'm going to continue to manipulate the garland until I get it styled and fluffed to my satisfaction. I will be adding 2 gold deer to this centerpiece, and I'm also going to be layering the garland as well. I am going to use some red holly berries and some pine cones, and I'm also going to go back and add some fairy lights as well.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go.
Now that the centerpiece is done, let's set this table. I'm starting off with this gold charger plate. I'm coming in with a second white floral design charger, and I'm also going to use this red and white dinner plate. I'm going to top it off with a small salad or dessert plate, and for a little whimsy, I'm going to add in my little gingerbread, and this is actually a little snack container. How cute.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo, Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria
thank you all for joining me today. I hope that this video was very inspirational and brought you such joy for the upcoming Christmas season. I also want to thank Saker for being a sponsor for a portion of this video today. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.